Hello YouTube, Anonymous Stacker here. So, is it even possible to trade silver and make money in the short term or, quick buck out of silver? Well, technically, yes, you can make money trading silver and you can make a lot of money actually. And there's another way, there are two ways. So, I'm going to talk about this one, the charts, and why I have them opened up right in front of you. And the other one I'm going to be talking about during the end of the video. Okay, so the only way is paper silver, and what paper silver means is you're trading silver that does not even exist. It's only on papers, and a lot of people trade these kind of silver and gold trades. And you see, this is the gold, and this is the gold to silver ratio, and this is the platinum. So let's talk about silver for now. And we're using this chart just as an example. You could use this on anything you want, forex, stocks, bonds, you name it. Okay, you can just do, you can even trade like barrels of oil, rice, cocoa, corn, whatever you want to trade in paper, you can trade. Okay. And the reason why I say that you can is because you see, as soon as you go and buy like physical silver, you're paying a lot of premium. Even if it's like generic rounds, you're paying at least $1. If it's like some unknown brand, silver, you're still paying $1 at least. Okay, nobody's getting it at spot price. Okay, so the benefit of when you trade with like a trading platform like eToro or Trading 212, or there are millions like IQ option. Okay, they give you a very competitive spread, but spread is basically the buy and sell. The difference between buying and selling is a spread. So what we call in this community, in the stacking community, premium is basically a spread. Okay, and the spread on this paper silver is roughly about 4 cents. Now imagine 4 cents, and your 1 ounce, 4 cents can move within like 2 seconds in silver. Okay, silver is very volatile. Let's see. In the last 5 minutes, it has moved. Oh, well, I was wrong. It took 10 minutes, but it could possibly, move within like 5 minutes too. Let's see on this one. On this big green bar, it moved 8 cents in 5 minutes. So it could move even more than that, but anyhow. So as soon as you buy or sell the silver on these paper silver on the trading platforms, it's only 4 cents, and you could be breaking even within 5 minutes. Okay, if your prediction is right. So you can either go long or you can go short. Uh, so go long is, actually, sorry, I just opened up my drawings. I'll hide those. Okay, I was just doing some technical analysis, which I wasn't gonna share, but sorry about that. Anyhow, if you guys are interested in this, I could also make a weekly silver analysis. I was already thinking about it, but okay, anyhow. Okay, where was I? Got me off guard. Okay, yeah, talked about the spread, and okay, yeah, you can either go long or short. But long is, you're buying, you're expecting the silver to rise against the US dollars. Okay, so buy low, sell high. Okay, pretty simple. And short is selling high and then buying low. If you were expecting the price to drop, you could actually sell your dollars, I mean, sell your silver, which is does not even exist because it's paper silver, to somebody who's willing to buy. Okay, somebody who's predicting that it will rise again, but you're predicting that it will go down. You'll trade against each other. Okay, you don't have to meet that person. You just press a button and the trading platform finds you the buyer or seller, whatever the case is, and that's why it's so liquid. It's there's always somebody buying or selling silver. It's just one click away. There is no lag. It's basically instant. Okay, so uh, so you can also make money by shorting the market of silver. Now, uh, the good thing about doing this paper silver is that you get leverage, and you get a lot of leverage. Okay, so the basic one would be 100 to 1, and what leverage means is that you take the trading platform's money. So as soon as you want to buy 1 ounce, so if you pay like 23.95, let's just make it simple and say the spot price is at $24 right now. If you pay $24 from your account, you could technically buy silver for $2,400. You could buy 100 ounce of silver. The rest of the money will be paid by the options trader. Okay, and that's how they make money, by giving you that money and they lend you that money. They charge a very small percentage only if you keep that trade open for 24 hours or more. But trust me, it's not existent. It's basically nothing compared to what you can make. And the second way they make money is obviously by the spread, ask and the bid. All right. So, but be careful, guys. This leverage is very, very dangerous and very, very exciting at the same time. It's like a double-edged sword, because if you if it's with you and not against you, this leverage, if you are making the right predictions, obviously you're gonna make 100 times more than what you could have by only spending your own $24. But what if it goes against you and your prediction is wrong? You're also losing that fast, and somebody's got to pay for that money. So that's that. And now I'll tell you the second way of making money with silver in the short run is actually, everyone knows about that in the stacking community. It's flipping coins or flipping some kind of silver that you bought, and then you can just sell it on eBay. But it's a long process, and then you pay like shipping fees, and then you pay the eBay or Amazon or whoever or whatever platform you're selling on to, or it could be on your social media networking sites, okay, or wherever you find a buyer. But that's another way you can technically make money trading silver in the short run, but that's kind of hard. But yes, there is this. And let me know if you guys want to see such content, and if you found something like helpful, or you learned something new that you didn't know about, please consider subscribing and give me a like, and do share your comments on what do you guys think I should be making such content, or do you guys want to see my analysis at some point, or there are some of these tools that I have. This is my own custom made indicator that I use. That's why I've hidden like this side of the because my name is on this indicator that I made. This indicator is very interesting. So in the last video I talked about this line right here. This is the 200 EMA. So how this strategy works is, if your price is like if these candlesticks, if the bars are above the 200, we're only looking to buy. Okay, this is for the paper silver trading. And once this bar, the green bar, breaks this line, you buy. Okay, and you put a stop at this orange line, and then you follow it along. If you had done this, you could have made about $6.99 on 1 ounce, and if you had like the 100 ounce, it would be about $600 in 70 days. Okay, so that's pretty good for only investing $25 of the leverage, which would not even be 25 at the point when you bought it, would be $17. So So that's what I'm talking about. It's not a perfect strategy. There are some losers. For example, if I had traded it here, I would have lost some money. Okay. Uh, but overall, it's when the market is trending, this is one of the best um, trading tool there is. Okay, I'll just show you how many times you would have won or taken the right trade and called the right numbers once, and then it broke off right here twice, and then it broke out right here. You could have taken all these trades and made money on these trades. This is fourth trade, okay, and this is when you've started losing. You would lose one. This one technically you would still be inside the trade, so you only lost one and you were right one, two, three, four times if you were trading the strategy. Anyhow, I wasn't planning on showing you guys this, but because the analysis and everything came inside, so I just thought, why not talk about it. Okay, so I'll just hide these. Anyhow, guys, if you did find this video helpful, please subscribe, and that will motivate me to push more content such as this one for you guys. And do subscribe and press the bell icon so you get notified when I next post my videos. All right, take care, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.